Jeongbang Waterfall, a UNESCO historic site, is located at South Jeju. Unique location. It's Asia's only waterfall that flows directly into the ocean, creating a dramatic coastal scene. Jeongbang Waterfall, falling from a cliff, is 23 m high and 10 wide. It has unique scenery, not only in Korea but also in the Oriental area. It is called Jeongbang Hapok due to its picturesque scene when viewed from a boat, and is one of 10 scenic wonders of Jeju Island. The waterfall starts from Jeongmosis, and it is said that if people play a drum and jangu at the point of the waterfall drops, turtles come up to the surface and dance on the water. Jeongbang Waterfall is famous for a legend of Seogwipo, who is a legman of Shi Huangdi during the Qin dynasty, and came to Mount Hala in Jeju Island in search for an elixir of an eternal life. After he failed to find the elixir, he carved Sobogwagi on the cliff of the waterfall and returned to the west. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.